What's up everyone, welcome to another episode of the Localization Basics. Today we are going to have a quick look at TMS. What is a translation management system? Translation management system is a platform where you get to manage everything related to translation so that you don't have to do it through email like a total noob. To give you an example, let's say you get a project with a bunch of files, the client wants you to do something with it. What you do is you actually move the files to translation management platform. And in this translation management system, you have different people accessing it as well, like translators and reviewers, and they can do their own thing in the translation management system right away. So they're going to translate either within the platform or they're just going to download the files from the TMS. They do their own thing offline and then they upload it back to the TMS and then it moves to the next stage and we get it reviewed. Okay, so this is good, this is not good, and so on. And at the end of the process, which you can set up in the TMS, you get the final localized super high quality files that you then deliver back to the client, or maybe even the client has access to the TMS and you don't even have to deliver. Now, because this platform is there mainly to support the translation, it means that the translation management system also includes some components like the TM, right? We had this before. Then what it does is it supports the glossary. We don't know yet what it means. And then it can also integrate with another computers and use the AI, aka machine translation. Okay, all happening within one system, that is TMS.